What's up, investors? Dean here. In this video, we're going to speak about three companies that I'm keeping my eye on this week because they have earnings reports coming out and I'm very interested to see just what their numbers are. The first company that we're going to speak about is NIO. We're then going to speak about Workhorse and lastly, Sense. So stick around to the end of this video, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on notifications. With that out of the way, let's get into the first stock, which is NIO. NIO is a company that you all probably know and love. We've spoken about on this channel many times, and they've given investors some very good gains, particularly if you got in early. However, over the last month, they've seen quite a bit of a drop off. We had highs of over $62 a share, and currently we're trading at $45.78. And that is for a factor of reasons. Obviously, the whole market's going down, EV's going down, and also we've got to factor in that NIO has run up so much. A bit of consolidation is healthy for the company. I am not worried by this, and I think that this could be a beautiful buying opportunity if you don't own NIO already. NIO has done so well with the earnings. Every time earnings come out, investors are impressed, and I'm personally expecting the same thing to happen. I think that with good earnings, we can start turning this stock around, getting back up, and over the next few months, getting back to the $60 to $65 a share mark, providing other factors like the market also starts turning around. I think this is a great buying opportunity. It is a buy and hold company for me. This isn't a swing trade, and my personal price prediction is for NIO to be worth over $100 a share by the end of this year. The next stock, Workhorse. Workhorse has seen a very sharp and very heavy drop off because a lot of Workhorse's stock price was factoring in them winning the USPS contract. When news came out that they didn't win the contract, Workhorse dropped a lot, all the way down to, I believe, $13 a share. Currently trading at $16 a share. I feel that they are a company that you can buy and hold for a long time because I personally believe that they are still going to do good over the long term, because don't forget, this contract wasn't all this company was about. They have drones. They are working on their refrigerated vans. They also have contracts with Pritchard Group and other things. This company is great with PR. They always release good news. If you've been following them and you know who this company is, I truly believe that they are going to be long-term winners. Obviously, this contract would have been huge and would have definitely sped up the process of them growing. However, if you can put your money in here and leave it for the next 5 years, 6 years, I think you will see some really great returns. Regarding earnings that come out on Monday, I'm not too excited. I'm not expecting really good results because I think that Workhorse, based off their last earnings, aren't going to do that well this time either. If we do see some growth in the earnings, we see that they did better than last time, I think that will be fantastic. However, if they are unsatisfactory, if investors aren't happy with what they see here, don't be surprised if this stock drops a bit more and could provide you with the perfect buying opportunity as your long term. Again, this isn't a swing trade. This is a buy and hold stock. The last stock, Sense. They're a company that has a lot of excitement around them right now, particularly this year because a lot of these biopharmaceutical stocks went crazy. So Sense has really good opportunity. If their earning reports come out and they see some big change from their last ones, I truly believe that we can see this stock price run up. We've already had highs just this month alone of over $5 a share, and currently trading at $3.42. I could see some big upside in this company. I am personally not buying in based off this. I'm pretty excited for Sense. Sense earnings come out on Friday. NIO and Workhorse come out on Monday, and I'll be keeping a close eye on them. Now, if you like these companies, if you like Workhorse and NIO, I would highly recommend you watch my video on BusXF. They are a Canadian bus manufacturer who are currently expanding to the US. And unlike these other companies like Workhorse, who are a startup and don't have many sales or much manufacturing, BusXF have been manufacturing buses for a long time, and they are now starting to get into electric. Just this year alone, they've already got a backlog of over $50 million in buses. This might be their traditional buses. However, it's better to have that than nothing. So they're working on electric. They're expanding to America. They have a lot of good things in the pipeline. They are currently an over-the-counter stock, but they're in the process of uplisting to the New York Stock Exchange, which will be happening in the next 2 to 4 months. So I definitely watch my video on that one. It's a company that I'm going to buy, and it's a company that I think will provide some massive returns this year. So check out my video on BusXF. I'll also leave it at the end of this one. That's all for this video, guys. Just a quick recount of what I'm looking at this week. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications. Till next time, have a good one.